Good morning, boys and girls. Today is June 2nd, and you're another day closer to the end of the year and summer. Please continue to follow the check-in links. And as a reminder, our Zoom meeting will be today at 11 o'clock instead of yesterday. Sorry, but I'm still happy and excited to see you all. Again, if you need the weekly agenda, everything is posted here for you. Today's spirit day is kickball. Play ball outside today. You can split your family into teams or play and practice by yourself. So I know it says kickball, but it could be basketball, baseball, wiffle ball, soccer, anything you have. It could be playing catch with your dog, but try to be active, try to be physical, and get out there. Try to encourage your family to play. You could do a 2-on-2 or something like that, or 1-on-1 football, basketball, anything you like. As a reminder, here is our flat teacher activity. Please continue to share any flat adventures with me online, just something fun. I know some days are lighter and some days are heavier school-wise, so whenever you have time to, even if it's just during the weekend. Today we are celebrating Aiden and Brendan from our class, as well as some students from Miss Er's class. Get on, celebrate, write them a message, a memory you have with them. Again, I ask that you wait till lunchtime before you share some love with Miss Er's students as well, just to make sure there's spots available for everybody in their class. Today you are reading chapters 15 to 17 from Charlotte's Web. Now, this is a very long video. In fact, it's about 20 minutes long. So my suggestion is to maybe listen to about half of it today, and then Wednesday, tomorrow, you can finish that video off. So I'm giving you 2 days to listen to these chapters. Writing for today, I did put this first because this actually explains what a fractured fairy tale is. So there's a video here. I suggest doing writing before reading today. You should be familiar with fractured fairy tales as you did them at the end of the year in second grade. But I'm asking you to watch this video and then in your own words, not what the video says, in your words, I want you to explain to me what a fractured fairy tale is. And you can go ahead and log on to Flipgrid to do that for me. Reading today, we are going to continue on. You're going to watch my teacher video, and then if you'd like to, you can listen to Lon Po Po first. Lon Po Po is a Chinese version of the Little Red Riding Hood, and my video is about using a Venn diagram to compare and contrast the traditional Little Red Riding Hood that you and I know with the Lon Po Po version. So if you don't know Lon Po Po or you haven't heard it, please go ahead and listen and watch that just to give you a better sense and some extra practice before you do your own. You will be continuing to make a Venn diagram as well, only instead of you comparing Little Red Riding Hood and Lon Po Po, you're going to compare the gingerbread man with the ninja man. So these are available on Epic, so you can use our class code and watch these on Epic. The book's already been assigned to you. Or you can actually just watch them on YouTube. I'm flexible. I know you have a lot of work today, so whatever you're more comfortable with. I know some of you enjoy being read to, some of you actually enjoy reading yourselves, so I did give you both options today. And then again, you're going to print the Venn diagram and do it on paper, or go to Google Classroom in the reading section and fill out the diagram comparing and contrasting the gingerbread man with the ninja man. Please make sure you fill in at least three things in each section. There should be a lot of similarities and a lot of differences that you can really fill this in a lot. And you'll see on mine, mine's filled in almost to the bottom of each circle. And here is my sample for you. Okay, so this should be lengthy. This shouldn't just be one thing in each column. That's really not the best effort. Okay. Social studies today. I thought I would let you have some fun. There is a video tutorial in case you've forgotten how to use Google Maps. However, what I want you to do is you are going to go to Google Maps and you're going to visit the country that you've been researching. Okay, so you may want to revisit your video links or research the tourist attractions for your country and have a specific destination in mind. In my video tutorial, I was trying to get to the Blarney Rock, which is it's in a castle in Ireland. Otherwise, you are going to explore your country, drop your little guy down, walk the streets, go to castles if there's a castle, go to a restaurant, go to the beach, go to the safari, whatever's in your country. Try to explore something. And then when you're done, I want to know, where did you go? What are your thoughts about your trip? And you're going to share that on Flipgrid with me, okay? Again, if you need your country assignment reminders, there they are. Math for today is probably the trickiest thing that you're doing today, but it is the only new thing that you're doing today. You should be familiar with everything else. So I'm not going to read the math goal because it's a lot, but you are going to do lesson 8.2 today, which is going to go over extended facts for multiplication and division. So remember, if you had 3 times 6 is 18, that's a basic fact. If you had 30 times 6, all you did was add a 0, so that 3 is now in the tens place. So 3 times 6 is still 18, only now that's 18 tens, or 180. So that's a little bit what the lesson is going to teach you. So there is a lesson video for you to watch. There is an extra multiples video in case you have trouble understanding. So there's an extra practice video there for you if you need it and you're struggling with your journal pages. There are 2 math journal pages today, followed by an exit slip. I would also like you to play Shuffle to 1,000 just to brush up on your adding and subtraction skills as well. Again, if you have any questions, I'm here. And then, of course, science is your s'mores oven. If you haven't started it yet, you might want to start it. Get cooking and make sure you check the weather for the sunniest day because you want to have your ovens done for then. Okay? Bye, guys.